Glenn, okay, this is for idle. And what about this one?
Okay, this, you're right, this is for RPMs, and this one here is for the air.
Air.
It's like a needle, and the more you come out,
Oh, this is the outlet.
that's the outlet. And the more
Correct.
you come, the more it opens up, and from the venturi of the air going through, sucks the fuel
Okay.
more.
When you tune the carburetor, you adjust this jet, no?
Correct.
And this one, of course, because
This one is for the RPMs, you adjust that. This you have to also too. You really got to go into a manual, and because all the carburetors will be different.
Correct,
And
correct.
see how many turns out. Before you take it out, when you rebuild them, you should screw it in to see how many turns it goes in.
Okay.
So then you know when you take it out and rebuild it, put it back together, you have a starting point.
Oh, nice, nice. And what about those hoses?
Uh,
Vacuum?
That's vacuum. Vacuum. This one here is going to a fuel pump.
And that's the fuel pump.
Yeah.
All right. Now
Vacuum fuel pump.
we are going to disassemble that plate and we are going to check the fuel
The
pump.
diaphragm. Okay.
Okay, Glenn. This is the diaphragm, no?
This is the diaphragm right here, and from the vacuum, true, this is a
The
one-way
vacuum over there.
vacuum.
Okay.
And it sucks this little diaphragm in.
This is a membrane, no?
Yeah.
All right. Can you remove it? Oh, perfect.
Just a,
The air produce the vacuum over there and suction the membrane.
right. It sucks this way into.
And two valves, no?
And two valves. There's an in and an
Input,
out.
and
One-
this is output.
out.
Those valves in opposite direction.
Opposite direction.
Perfect. Oh, nice. And this is the seal for the diaphragm.
It seals off the diaphragm and the.
This is the fuel pump.
Yes, the fuel pump.
The fuel pump and works
Works
basically.
the same way, mechanical on the side of
Correct.
the motor.
Correct. In this case, it's not for the cam. It's vacuum
It's vacuum that runs. this
operated.
way.
Oh, perfect. This is the carburetor that you found in a typical jet skid, but you have a similar carburetors in other applications, no?
Yeah, there should be one here.
Yeah. Right. For example, in outboard carbureted, it's similar.
And outboard, yes, they all work the same on the vacuum to pull in the fuel.
The fuel. All right. Nice. Wonderful. Fuel pump. And what about the other one in the other side? Is the same? Because this is the fuel pump.
Yeah.
And here, no, that's the regulator, the pressure.
regulator,
Yeah,
right.
the pressure regulator. All right, wonderful, nice, nice. And this is the cable connected to the throttle.
For the throttle, the cable comes around, snaps on.
Correct. Thank you, Glenn.
Thank you.